Welcome, today in front of me Oppo A16 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first we should open the notification panel, and somewhere here you will see the screen recording icon. Just to launch the screen recorder settings, you should hold for a while this icon, and as can you see, we got here all our screen recorder settings, and just as can you see here, we got the section with the video resolution. Now we got the medium video quality on our screen recording, but we can change it by selecting the higher or lower, or you can see here set the custom resolution if you want. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.